xoxo, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I got this look, and if you're interested, keep on watching. So the first thing I did was went in and prepped my brows with some powder. That way when I apply product to the actual brows, they wouldn't slip and slide anywhere. Then I went with a brow pencil, and any brow pencil or pomade would work, and just filled in my brows from the end to the middle to whatever shape I wanted them to be. Then I took the spoolie and brushed my brows upward to diffuse the intensity of the color, to give them a more gradient effect. And voila! She should look something like this. Then I'm going to go in with the brow gel and brush my brows upward just so they can stay in place. And you can also use mascara or the brow wax for this, it's really up to you. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer, and normally I use a skin tone concealer when I'm not doing eyeshadow, but because it's an eyeshadow look, I wanted it to pop more, so I'm using the Nyx Coverage Concealer, which is a lighter concealer, just so you can intensify the colors. First, I'm taking the skin tone color and going from the middle to the edge of my crease and blending it out just to set the mood of the eyeshadow look. And blending is key, guys. I cannot stress that enough. Now I'm going to take this light blue, and I know it doesn't show up light, but it is a lighter blue, and just set that into my crease and just blend it out. I went back into the skin tone brown and added it to diffuse the colors and started blending them all together. Then I went into the dark blue and set it right on top of the lighter blue and started fluffing it out. Note that when it comes to eyeshadow, blending is super key because it really will make or break your look. Taking the slime green, I'm flushing it all across my inner crease and under my brow bone just before applying the base colors. Going back into my NYX concealer with an angled brush, I started drawing the shape of where I wanted my base colors to be. I then went in with the green and applied it to my inner crease. Taking the yellow, I then start setting it on the middle of my lid. And be sure to work the colors in carefully. I just kept applying the yellow until all the concealer was covered. Then I went to the Wonder Swipe Gold Liner and just lined the edge of where the colors stop. Then I just honestly kept playing with it until I got it where I wanted it to be. And voila la la! Then I took my liner and lined my lids and applied lashes. Now, let's get foundation-y! Boop! Now for the lips. I took a brown liner and lined the perimeter of my lips. I then took the colors that I applied to my lid and just freelanced them on my lip. It wasn't in any specific order, it was just really random. I made sure that I blended very well and just kept blending until it was very fluffed out. And you should have something like this. Maybe a little glitter. Aha, there we go. Because I didn't have a green highlighter, I went into this green eyeshadow and placed it on my cheek as a highlighter. I then went into this butter highlighter and just added it to it just to fluff it out a bit. I got sort of a green tinted highlighted look, and I was okay with it. To finish the look, I added silver eyeliner to my waterline, and there you have it. Thanks for rocking with me, awesomes. Remember to like, comment, and all that good jazz. Ciao!